Oh, now it works. Oh, now it works. Are you serious? Before I'm like, what's going on? Jim here. So coordination with drums is a must, and I'm going to provide some exercises that will kind of shake up the brain, if you will. But if you're a brand new learner and you haven't tried these grooves yet, I would definitely advise just taking it slowly and learning from my other videos so you don't get too frazzled. So what do you think? Do you think this is a benefit once I demonstrate? Go ahead and throw a comment in and let me know. All right, so the first groove is going to look like this. We're going to have quarter notes on the hi-hat, bass and snare, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then probably every bar I'm going to switch. There's going to be 3 exercises, and I'll start with the right hand. I'll go through it, and I'm actually going to go through it slower, and then I'll change it up by going faster. All right, so get my headphones on. Groove 1, 3, 2, and left hand come out. Back to right hand. Stay solid with the tempo. You can play with me if you like. Groove 2, 8th notes on the hi-hat. Upbeat 8th notes. All right, here I go. I'm going to go slower. Start with the quarter notes. 3, 4, and left, right, eighth notes, right hand. Upbeats, 3 and 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. All right, now what I'm going to do is kind of intermittent patterns. So I did it in order from quarters to 8th notes, then to upbeat 8th notes. Now I'm going to switch it up where it could be 8th notes to upbeat 8th notes, then quarter notes, and maybe I'll jam on it for a little bit. Maybe I'll play the bell cymbal, the crash with the left hand pattern. You can do that too. Real quick, let me know if this lesson is helping you, if it seems interesting, by hitting the like button. I'm tired. All right, now I'm gonna mix it up. Anything can go. It could be quarter notes, 8th notes, upbeat 8th notes, kind of like I'm at a buffet and I can eat anything I want. Well, maybe not that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have bonus. Bonus is this. Paradiddles. Paradiddle fill real quick. We're going to do right, left, 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 left. That's a good way to work up your foot and have fun at the same time. Play your basic groove. Here we go. 1, 2. Here we go. I went to quarter notes on the hi-hat just so you could hear the voices in here, but you can keep the 8th notes on the hi-hat if you want. Check it out. see you probably by next week. I'm going to be doing some rudiments and lots of fun things. I'm getting into some funk stuff. I said funk. That's what I said earlier too. But take care. Bye for now. See you soon. I'm tired. Oh, now it works. Oh, now it works. Are you serious? Before I'm like...